Hi everybody, welcome to Simply Scuba. In today's video, I'm taking a closer look at the XDeep 140cm open-ended dSMB. Yeah, a decent size SMB, nice and chunky, so when it's fully inflated, it's going to be really big on the surface to help you be seen. Let's take a closer look. Okay, so this is how it arrives in a nice cardboard box, very eco-friendly. XDeep on the front, just logos, barcodes on the back. That's about it. So on the inside, we get some nice tissue paper and your dSMB. Let's have a quick look, and yeah, that's everything that you get. Let's take a closer look at the dSMB itself. Right, so down at the bottom of the dSMB, you have a decent size attachment point. So this really big webbing loop, so you can attach a line, you can fit a reel through that to tie it off onto it. Little XDeep logo, a number 4. I have no idea what's that for, that's probably quality control. And then you just have a big open end. So if you're using your octo or using your your exhaust from your primary, you can inflate it through there. This is not fluted, it is just an open tube. So as you inflate it, gas is going to rush up to the top and then stay there. The only downside with that is if it sort of falls over on the surface and the bottom is open, then gas can escape, so always keep some tension on that line. Just around it, you have this section of bungee, so when you roll it up, when you're not using it, use that bungee to wrap it all up, and that just holds it all together so it doesn't unravel. But then when you want to deploy it, undo that, and then you can use the dSMB. Two separate pieces of material here, and they're heat welded and then stitched down both sides. That means it's really nice and strong, and when you're using it repeatedly, it's much better than a single piece dSMB. You can get some that are just one single piece of material that's folded and then heat sealed down one side. So that's perfectly fine, but after a while, where it's folding, it just starts to wear out. So your dSMB ends up with a little hole, whereas with two separate bits of material, much stronger, so it's going to last a lot longer. Moving down the length of the dSMB, the whole thing from the very sort of bottom to the very tip is about 140 centimeters, hence the name. But then at the top, you have solus reflective tape. So this is great, especially when you're night diving, because if someone shines a torch in its direction, it reflects very effectively. So you stand out really well in the water. Even when they can't see the red of the SMB, they're going to see that reflecting back, and it's going to catch their eye. Just above it, you have this little sort of clear message window. So this is just a little pouch where if you have wet notes, you can write a note that you want to send up to the surface, roll it up, tuck it in there, or if you have a glow stick, you can crack that, tuck it inside of that, and then that will go up and be sort of held right out of the water to help you be seen. And that's it, just a rounded top. As far as width, this is just shy of 20 centimeters across when it's flat. So this is about 18 centimeters. When it's inflated, it's probably going to be closer to 15 centimeters because it goes all round. But yeah, otherwise, yeah, decent material. The stitching and everything is all very well and good. Yeah. Decent dSMB. Okay, so let's review the XDeep 140cm dSMB, the open-ended version. Okay, so we review buoys on 4 different categories with a 5th overall score. So first of all, we're looking at the size, how big it is, how easy it is for you to be seen on the surface, the ease of use, how easy it is to use it, any sort of fiddly little bits that you need to consider, the features that are on the dSMB, what features it has, obviously, the cost. Yeah, how much does it cost compared to other dSMBs, and then the overall score. So starting off with the size, so this is 140 centimeters long, about 20 centimeters across. So that gets 5 out of 5 as far as size. Really decent size, so even if the waves are getting up pretty tall, then yeah, it's still holding up above them, and because it's really wide, it's really going to stand out when someone's just glancing around the water. Then looking at the ease of use, again, 5 out of 5. You've got that really big handle at one end, so that's going to be really easy to attach a line onto. Even if you've got sort of gloves on, you haven't got any small fiddly little D-rings you're trying to thread things through. Big decent strap, can't go far wrong. Down to, so that got 5 out of 5, if I didn't mention that, because it's got, yeah, there's not much fiddly stuff that you have with it. Onto the features. The features only got 3 out of 5. That's mainly because it has the solus tape, it has that sort of bungee and the big sort of handle down at the bottom and that little message window. It doesn't have a flute or a duckbill valve to close and seal that bottom, so you always have to keep tension on that line. And it is completely open-ended. You don't have a sort of oral inflation valve or with a low-pressure inflator hose. You can't inflate it like that. It is a very simple dSMB. There's nothing going on down at the bottom. So it did get 3, which was a little bit generous, to be honest. The main reason it got 3 is just in the sort of the build quality. It's built very nicely and very sort of robust, so it's going to last a long time, but do consider that it is completely open-ended, so if it ever does flop over, it could start to sort of deflate all by itself, and then as you wind it down, it just comes down to meet you under the water. As far as cost, the cost reflects the sort of the lack of extras, so it sits in the sort of the upper lower sort of section, if that makes sense. So it's a cheaper dSMB, but because of the build quality, it's a decent cheap dSMB, if that makes sense. So we've got 5 out of 5 because it's kind of exactly where I'd expect it. It's not expensive for what you get, but yeah, as far as feature-wise, there's not a great deal to it. So overall, it's scored 9 out of 10, which isn't bad. The main thing is that you do have to consider that, yes, it is open-ended, so you do have to keep tension on that line when you're under the water and when you're on the surface so that it doesn't flop over. Otherwise, yeah, I can't really fault it. It's really well made, decent materials, it's got reflective tape, decent size, and that sort of handle at the bottom is going to be really easy to use. Yeah, 9 out of 10. Okay, so that's the XDeep 140 centimeter large open-ended dSMB. A very simple dSMB, open-ended down at the bottom, so you can inflate it orally, sort of through the exhaust valve of your primary, or use your octo. It's just, yeah, do bear in mind you do have to keep tension on that line. But otherwise, yeah, decent sized dSMB. Not too many sort of extra features, but it does have that reflective tape and the message window at the top. Yeah, I can't sort of fault it for very much because it is well put together. There's going to be more information on our website, simplyscuba.com. There's going to be a link down in the description below. Thank you for watching, and of course, safe diving.